Hello to my future new friends at AsSeenOnTV.com. Hi, my name is Dave Schultz, and I am the co-creator, along with my father, of a revolutionary new tool. This is a patent-pending product that we have designed and are currently in the process of finding manufacturers for. This product is also trademarked under the name Fresh Grips to serve and protect, and I will show you more why the product serves and protects. We are looking for the proper vehicle to get this product off the ground. We have always been impressed with As Seen on TV and the ads that we've seen multiple times and have grown to love and enjoy. And so we feel like that this would be the proper tool. As Seen on TV would be the proper tool and vehicle to move our product along, get it out there to the masses, because there's nothing like it. People need to know what they're dealing with, and that's why we're coming to you. This product is used in the buffet or smorgasbord arena. If you're like me, if you're like millions of other Americans, you love to eat at buffets. I know I do. I know that's one of the biggest attractions for me when I go on cruises. It's a giant attraction in Vegas, but also there's smorgasbord chains across the country, buffets across the country that patrons will use this product. The product that I'm talking about is called Fresh Grips, and Fresh Grips is simply a tool used to protect your hand when other folks have touched spoons, spatulas, tongs, whatever. I've kind of set up a mock buffet here in my kitchen. I've got some food that my lovely wife has prepared, and I just want to kind of demo how this works. It's all about knocking down on the germ and factor and increasing the cleanliness of your dining experience at a buffet. Good hygiene is not always something that you can count on from others, but with Fresh Grips, now it's a non-factor. For example, this is how it works. You walk up to the buffet, the serving line, you've got your utensils laid out, you've got a Fresh Grip in hand. What you do is you walk up to your tong, you pick it up in hand. It's a wedge design, so you can easily slide it over the utensil. You pick up your meat, whatever you want to do, toss it around. That's a big chunk of meat there. And then you move down the line. You keep it in your hand, you grab a spoon. You pick up your chicken that's in the dish, put it on your plate, and move on down the line. It also works with smaller tongs. This is a very small tong. All these utensils came from our local Golden Corral. The manager there was kind enough to let me use those. But you can pick up the tong, you can pick up smaller items with the tongs, put them down, walk on down the line. As you can see, the wedge grip design slides over anything, a tong, a spatula, doesn't matter, pops back open when you bring your thumb off of the top side. There are thumb slots, so it can be used for both left and right-handed patrons. Doesn't matter. We have also been able to do some research on this idea with friends that work in the buffet industry, also with buffet lovers, and have gotten extremely positive feedback. A manager friend at a large buffet chain confided that all it would take is one outbreak of sickness to be linked back to a buffet, and it would have catastrophic effects on the industry. Once consumers become aware of this great idea, we can see national buffet chains, cruise lines, everyone wanting to retail this Fresh Grips to their patrons directly. I know several friends that will not eat at smorgasbords because they have to touch utensils handled by unknown and possibly unclean patrons. Many a husband or wife have missed out on eating buffet style only because their mate is grossed out by the idea. Heck, we may even save a marriage or two. As I said earlier, it's 100% FDA approved silicone rubber and completely dishwasher friendly. Simply use your Fresh Grips to pick up serving utensils next time you go to a buffet and feel safe knowing that the hands you're eating with are clean hands. One thing I want to mention to you is that the product that I'm using right here in my demo is actually a prototype. It's not the actual product. The actual product is going to be a mint green as pictured in on our logo that you have, that I've also sent. But the product here is a prototyping rubber. This rubber is not as durable, not as strong as the silicone that we are going to manufacture the product out of. The silicone is also a little more grippy. It's a little bit better for picking up products than the prototype I have, but still it gives you the exact idea how the product works, how the wedge design works, and fitting over all the utensils necessary to eat at one of your finer dining establishments, a buffet. This is a fantastic tool that millions of Americans can use and enjoy, and I can assure you it will sell to the masses. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.